Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're zooming in on something maybe a bit overlooked. The very top of your outdoor posts.
Yeah, it seems minor, doesn't it?
Right. Deck posts, fence posts, mailbox posts, they're all out there taking a beating. And that top edge, turns out it's pretty critical.
It really is. Most people figure a simple wood cap, or maybe nothing at all, is fine. But our research shows that's a big misunderstanding about how vulnerable wood actually is.
How so?
While that exposed end grain on top, it basically acts like a super absorbent sponge. It just drinks up water.
Not just rain, I gather.
Oh, definitely not just rain. Think about snow just sitting there for months, or corrosive salt spray if you're near a road.
Okay.
And in hot places, relentless sun and heat baking it dry, then sucking moisture back in. It's this constant cycle: wet, dry, freeze, thaw, intense UV.
Sounds pretty harsh.
It is. And it causes the wood to crack, start to rot, and just fail way faster than you'd think. Often, like within a year or two. It's a real weak spot. Because I think the common assumption for ages really has been wood post caps are the way to go. It feels natural, right? Wood post, wood cap.
It does seem intuitive, yeah.
Okay, so wood caps aren't really protecting the post as much as we thought. Maybe even contributing to the problem sometimes.
In a way, yes. They trap moisture underneath once they start to fail.
So what's the alternative then, if wood isn't the best long-term solution?
Well, that's where modern materials come in. Companies like Nuvo Iron, for instance, they use things like metal or durable plastics.
Okay, and how do they help?
The key thing is they're non-porous. They just don't absorb water like wood does.
So they immediately stop that main water path.
Exactly. You put one of these on, and you're putting a literal shield over that vulnerable end grain.
Yeah.
Plus, they're way more resistant to UV damage from the sun. They don't break down and crack the same way wood does.
So it's not just covering the top, it's like active engineered protection.
That's a good way to put it, engineered protection.
And you mentioned Nuvo Iron. They're caps. They're designed to be durable, fade resistant.
Right. Built to last.
Which brings us to the goal of this deep dive, really. We want to unpack why maybe ditching those traditional wood caps for these modern alternatives. It seems like a simple upgrade, right?
Very simple.
But one that has this, huge visual impact and offers real protection, whether you're building something new or just sprucing up an existing fence or deck.
And the visual impact is big.
Yeah.
A crisp metal cap, for example. It just looks sharp, professional. Instantly upgrades the whole look. This isn't just about function, but durability can actually look good too. How do these engineered caps manage both protection and aesthetics?
Well, that's where the variety comes in. It's about a small upgrade now that pays off big time later. The materials we looked at showed a really wide range of styles. You don't have to sacrifice your look.
Like what, for example?
Okay, so you've got things like their patented easy caps. They're designed to just snap on securely, instant results.
Handy.
Then there are the more classic pyramid caps, traditional lines, really good at shedding water in any climate. And for a bolder look, they have statement caps, more architectural.
So wait, it doesn't matter if I have a standard 4x4 post or like a big chunky 8x8. There's a Nuvo Iron cap that fits.
Yeah, from 4x4 all the way up to 8x8. And apparently they're bringing in new white finishes too for that cleaner, modern aesthetic.
Wow, okay. That is versatile. It really sounds like you can find something for your style, your post size, and maybe even your budget without giving up that essential protection.
Which kind of brings up a key point, right? Why spend all that money on lumber and the time and effort to build something beautiful only to skip protecting such a critical failure point?
Good question.
And what about cost? Because usually better means more expensive.
Not always, actually. That's the interesting part. In a lot of cases, a good quality plastic or metal cap, like the Nuvo ones, costs about the same as a decent wood cap. Sometimes even less.
Really? So it's not even a cost barrier?
Not really, no. When you factor in the longevity, it's actually cheaper long-term. Think about it. You put on wood caps, they fail in a few years, maybe take the post top with them.
And then you're looking at repairs, replacing posts maybe. That gets expensive fast.
Exactly. Whereas an engineered cap is designed to, just sit there and do its job for years and years. Keeps the moisture out, prevents the rot and splitting. Your project looks good for the long haul, not just the first season.
So, summing it up, you get better durability, protects the post itself, looks arguably better, more modern maybe.
Definitely enhances the look.
And it's potentially the same price or less upfront and almost certainly cheaper over time.
That's the core message, yeah. A wood cap seems fine initially, but the cracking will show. These alternatives are engineered to stay strong, keep things looking good.
So Considering how easy they are to install, I mean, it's usually just a couple of screws, right?
Oh, yeah.
So minimal cost, really quick job, huge visual upgrade, and you're preventing potentially costly repairs down the road.
Uh-huh.
It makes you think, doesn't it? What's really holding anyone back from making this switch today? Why wait for the wood to fail?
That's it for this episode of The Iron Mic, brought to you by Nuvo Iron. If you liked what you heard, follow us to stay up to date on our latest episodes. Got questions? Interested in the products we talked about? Or have a project to share? Visit nuvoiron.com or find us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok at Nuvo Iron. Until next time, listen in, learn more, and build better.